Wait, is that the same bird, the one that went extinct over 300 years ago? It's the dodo bird. After all these centuries, walking here like nothing ever happened. Everyone's looking. They can't believe it either. The dodo, alive. But how? The dodo, once found only on the island of Mauritius, flightless, gentle, and fearless of humans, it became easy prey not just for predators, but for the people who hunted it, nesting on the ground. Its eggs were left unprotected. That's how it vanished over 300 years ago. But if one has returned, could it be searching for a place to lay its eggs once more?